The soul of West Africa. Authentic Nigerian Jollof Rice. This tutorial is designed to be fast-paced, vibrant, and focused on that iconic smoky flavor. The base, the Holy Trinity. Flash images of red bell peppers attaché, Scotch bonnets autoroto, tomatoes and onions. The secret to legendary Nigerian jollof is a base. Blend your peppers, tomatoes and onions until smooth, then boil it down until the water evaporates. This concentrates the flavor. The fry. Heat vegetable oil in a heavy pot. Sauté sliced onions, then add tomato paste. In hot oil, fry your tomato paste and onions for about 5 minutes. You want to remove that slap of sourness. Now, pour in that concentrated pepper mix and fry until the oil rises to the top. The seasoning in rice, add curry powder, thyme, bay leaves, white pepper and bouillon cubes. Add washed parboiled long-grain rice. Season heavily with curry, thyme and bay leaves. Now, add your washed long-grain parboiled rice. Stir-fry the rice in the base for 2 minutes. This coats every grain in liquid gold. The steam, the Nigerian secret. Add beef or chicken stock just enough to cover the rice. Cover the pot tightly with foil, then the lid. Add your stock, but don't drown it. The magic happens through steam, not boiling. Seal it tight with foil. Turn the heat to low and let it do its thing. To finish the party smoke, open the pot to show steam rising. Add butter and sliced onions, tomatoes. Stir with a wooden spoon. Once it's tender, crank the heat for 2 minutes to let the bottom slightly burn. That's where the party jollof smokiness comes from. Fold in a knob of butter and you're done. Key tips for success. The rice type, always use long-grain parboiled rice. Basmati is delicious, but for authentic Nigerian jollof texture, long grain is king. The color, if your jollof looks orange, you need more tomato paste or red bell peppers. It should be a deep, vibrant reddish orange. The burn, don't be afraid of the rice sticking to the bottom. That scorch layer called canzo provides the authentic smoky aroma. If you enjoy this video, kindly like, comment, share, follow, or subscribe to see more interesting videos from us.